First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sandeep Upadhyay, and I'll be your trainer for Gen AI. All right. So I have more than 10 years of experience working on different technologies. It could be project management, or it could be data analytics, or some like Gen AIs as well. Okay. So the first question is, yes. So first question is, what is AI? Okay. What is AI? Okay, now I know AI is artificial intelligence. Apart from that, what we can say? What is AI? So basically, when we talk about then AI, so AI is the ability. Okay, just I'll give you textbook in definition. Okay, AI is the ability of a machine. We're discussing about that. What is AI? And the textbook's definition of the AI is the ability of machine. Okay, or computer system, we can say computer system, to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. All right. So basically, AI is the ability of a machine or a computer system to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. Okay. Now, what kind of task? So here we can simply say, here if I'll say, uh, for example, recognizing images, or recognizing sounds, or here we can say understanding languages. Okay, and what else we can say here? Can say understanding languages, then making decisions on behalf of human. Okay, and what else? What else we can say? Making decisions. Yes, one more thing is the learning from experience. Okay, do you really think machine or the computer system learn from the experience?
Yes, I guess like
Yes. Yes, actually it is. AI is the only thing, like AI thing learn from the experiences. Okay, whatever data will provide to the machine, and that machine will learn from data. So what is that data? Data is the experience, right? So definitely it learns from the experiences. Okay. So in simple word, if I'll say AI is like machine that can think, learn, and make decision just like human, just like human. Okay, that is called AI. And if I will give any example here, so best example we have, that is Google Maps. I don't think no one is here who have not used the Google Maps. Okay, what Google Maps do? Whenever you open a Google Map, like, and particularly when you search the direction, okay, it analyzes the traffic data. Okay, it predicts the travel time, and then it suggests the fastest route. Correct. So basically, this system learn from millions of drivers and the past data, right?
yes,
Correct. It is learning from the past data that, okay, normally whenever you travel, if you have to reach like 10 kilometers, so from one point to another point, okay, so how much time do you take? Okay, in from the past experience, plus whatever is the drivers are running from that particular route, if there any problem or something, they will the AI will Google Maps will learn from that one, and then it will predict the time, that how much time it can take for you. Correct. So this is the one example we have. Another example I can give you, that is Netflix. Very, very, very trending example nowadays, every day whenever you will discuss about the AI or something, so you will have this example, that is Netflix. Okay, whenever we open a Netflix recommends the movie. Okay, now obviously it depends on our past history, that whatever movies we have seen. Okay, it depends on that. On any other part or any other thing it considers before like suggesting the movie to us. What do you think?
Our previously I mean, watched movies based on
Yeah,
that.
that is
Mhm.
history, right?
Right, that is.
Okay, apart from that.
ChatGPT.
No, no, I'm talking about Netflix.
Okay.
Okay,
Live stream.
when Netflix recommend the movie,
Mhm.
okay, on what basis he recommends the movie to you?
Actually, the history and for example, if you are frequently watching comedy movies, right, then I think it divides the data into
That
categories
is called
like genre.
history.
Yeah. Apart from that, like maybe trending movies that everyone is watching.
Okay, in a technical word or in simple word, if I'll say, it is like similar users
Uh,
preferences. Okay, like for example, you have seen Durandar movie today, okay, on the Netflix, and then other people, okay, other users have watched same movie on the same day, and after that, which movie they are watching? Most of the movie, like most of the users. So Netflix will suggest you that movie. So similar user preferences it will consider. Okay, then again it will consider on the user behavior also. Okay, now what is this user behavior? User behavior, we can say that suppose you have watched comedy movie yesterday, and after that, which movie you watch, which kind of genre you watch? Okay, after comedy movie, have you watched any other comedy movie, or you prefer action movie after that? Like that, it will read your behavior. On that basis, it will suggest the movie. Correct?
yes.
Yes. Okay. Any other example you can give, like two examples I have given, the Google Maps and the Netflix. Any other example?
Uh, so Flipkart as well, like they also recommend uh,
Correct.
different products.
Flipkart is there, very good. Amazon is there, very good. Okay, to me. Okay, all right. And any other example, like voice assistants, Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri.
Mhm.
Okay, what they do? They understand the voice. All right, they recognize the voice of their user, and then they answer. So they recognize, they understand, and then they respond. So if I'll talk about the Alexa, okay, if I'll talk about the Alexa, so Alexa is works on the speech recognition, right? Speech recognition plus language understanding, okay, and plus decision making, right? Okay, we are just into discussion mode. Okay, so if you
Mhm.
have anything in your mind, please let me know. Okay, so now, like, I hope everyone is clear about what is AI. So now, important question is, if AI is this one, okay, so then what is machine learning and what is deep learning? AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. Can anyone answer this?
Machine learning is a part of AI, right? Mm. Wow.
Okay, very good.
And I think machine learning. What we can
Manish, any idea? Oh, sorry, not AV, AI. Okay. So yes, AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. All right. So right, Vaibhav, you are right. AI, machine learning is the part of AI. But then what is deep learning?
deep learning.
Okay.
Maybe for
Yes, very
machine
good.
learning. I mean, it's based on the more data or something like that. Uh,
Yeah. So if I will say,
mhm.
okay, if I'll say AI is an umbrella. Okay, I have seen many people confuse about these terms. Okay, so just remember, AI is an umbrella, and in that umbrella, machine learning is the one part. Okay, like we can say subset of the artificial intelligence or the AI is machine learning. Okay, it is not against, like AI and machine learning are not opposite to each other. Okay, AI is based on machine learning. All right, machine learning is a subset of AI in simple words. Okay, and then deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Okay, any confusion, any doubt till now?
Can you please elaborate on machine learning and deep learning? Like, then it will be more.
Sure, sure, sure. Okay, like you can consider like AI includes any technique that make machine intelligent. Okay, it could be rule based, it could be expert system, it could be robotics, or it could be machine learning. Okay, just for example, uh, there is one computer. Do you know there is one computer that is made by the IBM, and that is only for the chess? That is, it is a chess computer. Do you have any idea about it?
No.
Okay, so that computer is made for the chess only, and that is IBM. From the IBM, it is a Deep Blue.
Oh,
Okay,
mhm.
so again, that is kind of, it is kind of AI. All right. So whatever thing is like make machine intelligent, that comes under the AI. Very simple.
Got it.
Okay, it could be any rule based thing, like I can say here, uh, for example, like we have a washing machine at our home. Okay, we have given the timer that okay, it should it should turn off after 10 minutes. Correct.
Mhm.
So that can, we can say that okay, that is AI thing, because machine is learning. We have given the rule that okay, after 10 minutes machine should turn off. So that is a rule based, and that is a part of the AI. Okay,
Okay.
same way expert systems, same way robotics.
Mhm.
Okay, all these are the example of a different techniques that can make machine intelligent.
Okay.
Okay, now what is machine learning? If I will talk about specifically about the machine learning, what is machine learning? Okay, so basically uh, we can say here, making like we know like I don't know about Chetrali's background, but Vaibhav and Manish, both are you having a programming experience. Okay, so basically whenever you create any software, that is totally a programming rules, like we have program rules manually. Okay, so when we talk about the ML or the machine learning, so we don't provide any programming for that machine. Okay, we train machine using the data. Okay, then the system learns the pattern of the data. Okay, so like here I can say instead of programming, okay, instead of programming rules manually, okay, uh, like will we train machines using data. Okay, we'll provide the data of like 1,000 like 10,000 like depends on what kind of data you have and what kind of operation you want to perform from that machine. But using the data, your machine will learn the pattern, and then that training will called it is a machine learning. Okay, and here very basic example we have, that is for example okay, that is here is the example is I will say uh, email spam filter. Very basic example. Okay, like services like Gmail or the Yahoo or the Rediff Mail or Outlook, every day, whenever they receive any particular email and they think that machine think on behalf of us that okay, this could be the spam, they move that mail to the spam folder. But the question is how they decide. Okay, so here they have behind this system there's a machine learning. Machine has learned the pattern that okay, if any email is containing this kind of keywords or this kind of subject or this kind of domain name, so those mails should go to the spam filter. Okay, and they got this training through the millions of email. Just remember, okay, not from the 10 like 1,000 or 10,000 something, from the millions of email they will get trained, this machine will get trained. Okay, specific keywords they will follow. All right, this is machine learning and the pattern, like sender pattern. From this, system will learn. Okay, what a system will learn here? The system will learn that okay, which is the spam email and which is the safe email.
Okay.
Okay, are you getting it?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, next time whenever the that email services will get any email, and if that email containing a particular word keyword or they find any particular pattern, okay, so that time they will automatically declare that okay, this is the spam email or this is not the spam email, like.
Okay. Sandeep, I have a question here. Like,
Mm-hmm.
so in AI as well, right? So if you consider AI, so we train it, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we supply some knowledge data, knowledge based to it, and we train that machine or
Mm-hmm.
system, right? But in machine learning, it is similar, but in a machine learning, it will just make a decisions based on that. Like,
Mm-hmm.
if if I have to differentiate, because I'm confused. Like in AI also, we are giving it data, and then we are training that machine. So how it is different from ML then?
Okay. uh Chitrali, do you have any doubt?
Yes.
Okay, what is
Yeah.
your doubt?
Yeah. How it is work means how it is uh, perform based on the it is going to spam mail or safe mail.
Okay,
Yeah.
so basically here, like I told you, uh, ML is a part of AI. Okay, again, I am telling you, AI is not separate than ML.
Right, right.
Okay, So definitely, if ML can perform particular task, so AI also can perform that task. Why we want to differentiate between the both things? AI is
Okay.
much advanced than ML.
Got it. Got it.
Okay, so if ML can perform that spam filters, so definitely that is the part of, like, that is that AI can do that thing also, because ML is the part of AI.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now about Chetrali's doubt. So Chetrali, here, just imagine you have one system, like, just imagine, we can say you have one robot at your home, or one, like, instead of robot, you can say you have one puppy, a small dog at your home. Okay, in your home there's a small dog, and you are giving training to that dog on the every day, that your food will be here, you have to go at that particular place and you have to eat that food. Okay, once in a day, twice in a day, thrice in a day, you will give that training. Okay, and that training you will give for 1 week maximum. After that, he will do this thing by himself,
Yes.
right?
Mhm.
Okay, so now just imagine you have one system, and you mentioned that some rules, you have defined some rule for that system. Okay, and in that system you are giving training to that system on millions of emails. Like, if particular marketing word is there, particular sponsorship is there, or particular, like, kind of words are there, so you should declare this is as a spam email. And if those words are not there, you should declare that is a safe email. Now many times we have seen that Gmail, it could be Gmail or it could be any other mailing services, they by mistake, even it is your important email, they will send that mail to the spam folder. Correct? So like, we already know, it could be ML or it could be AI, they can make a mistake. So we cannot rely 100% on the output, that okay, this is perfect and I can go with that. Okay, but here this helped me for my 90% work. That 90% of the time the email spam filter is correct. Just 10%, or maybe more less than that. Okay, 2-3% only, that time the spam filter is wrong. Most of the time it is right. So basically, ML is getting a training from the different email patterns, and then it will learn that pattern, that okay, this is the, if these are the keywords are there into the mail, or this is the sender, like this is the particular sender who is sending the marketing email. So that time it will understand that pattern, and it will declare that email as a spam. Okay, it is clear.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. All right, Manish, do you have any doubt?
No, as of now, no.
Okay, great. All right, now discuss about the here deep learning. Okay, so again, what is deep learning? Like we discussed, deep learning is the part of ML. Okay, so here deep learning is very useful, and it uses artificial neural network. Okay, here deep learning uses artificial neural network. Anyone is having any idea what is this? Any guess?
We heard the term, but
Okay,
yeah.
Chitrali, Manish. Have you heard about the neural network? Leave it
Yeah.
artificial. Okay. So basically, artificial neural network is inspired by human brain. Okay. Deep learning used for, just remember, okay, deep learning is used for very complex task. Okay, now what are the complex tasks are there? So here in simple, like some of the example, if I will give you like sound recognition or the voice recognition, right? It is very difficult. Then image recognition, and like recognition means understanding that he has to perform some task on that basis after understanding the voice or after understanding the image. Okay. All right. And again, if I'll say one more thing is like maybe you have heard nowadays a lot of time NLP. What is this NLP?
Natural language programmer.
Exactly, natural language processing.
Processing. Okay.
Okay. So here, like in the ChatGPT, we simply type our query and it will perform. So it is basically natural language processing. Okay. So behind that, what is system? There is a system that is deep learning. Again, I'm like before you ask me this question, again I'm repeating, DL is not different than ML. Okay. Again, DL is a subset or the part of the ML. Like if I will tell you one thing, like here, for example, this is AI. Okay, just imagine this is AI, and in this AI, this is machine learning. Okay, and in this machine learning, this is deep learning. Okay, so when we talk about the complete system, so we talk about AI. But when we talk about particular thing, so that is ML. And if we talk about the working methodology of that particular, so it is DL, deep learning. Okay, is this clear till this part?
Yes.
Listen.
Okay,
Now, can you
so
come
please,
again one more time? Deep learning.
deep learning is a part of ML.
Yeah,
Okay,
that
it
is.
basically uses artificial neural networks. That how it works, that we will see into the theory. Just for the introductory session, just keep in
Mhm.
mind that it use the artificial neural network, and that network is inspired by the human brain. The how complex human brain is, according to that, this deep learning uses this one artificial neural network, and basically deep learning is used for the complex task. Okay, it could be voice recognition, it could be image recognition, it could be natural language process. If I will give more example here, so yes, like face recognition.
Does it work on the basis of text, deep learning, or only voice, image, and face, or something?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Means deep learning, does it based on the like text recognition, or only the voice, image, or face recognition?
Everything, like even
Everything.
face recognition. Yes, even face recognition. Like you have many times tested that in our phone we have one face lock. Okay, so
Mhm.
whenever you work with the face lock system, that time the face lock will check that eyes or the nose or the facial structure and the angle. Okay, like that kind of thing. This deep learning work on that. Okay, uh, 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 Apple phone, iPhone. Okay, iPhone use deep learning in Face ID. Okay, it is a very strict about that. Like whenever you are working, if you have an iPhone, it is like follow very strict rule. You have to blink the eyes. You have to, but your face should be in a particular angle. Only then your phone will unlock. Otherwise, it won't unlock. So that kind of system is there. Okay.
Okay.
For everyone, it is clear.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the real world applications. Okay, so yes, AI can help in healthcare, right? Right, wrong.
Yes.
Where it can help?
Like I heard something like it analyzes the data. For example, uh, particular disease, right? So, what kind of medications that we have given to that patient, or like
Yes.
based on the patient history, it can suggest or it can diagnose.
Yes, that is true. Even nowadays, many people are doing that. They take the report and they submit to the chat GPT and ask them that, okay, what should be the medicine we should take. Okay, so blood report and sugar report, everyone is uploading on the this one chat GPT Gemini, and they're asking this. So yes, in the healthcare, this can help. We should not do it. Okay, but like yes, we can do that in the healthcare. It is there, and the real example is here IBM. Okay, IBM has developed one IBM Watson. Okay, to assist doctors in cancer diagnosis. Have you heard about it? All right, so IBM has already one AI, that is the name is IBM Watson, and he assists doctors in cancer diagnosis. Okay, in we already know about the finance. Like if I'll go with the a different sector here, so yes, we have one more sector, that is finance, right? We can use this finance like AI into the finance for risk prediction.
Yes,
Okay, uh, fraud detection.
for detection. Yes,
Yes, even like what else you can say here? Mm,
it can give us the trend analysis and kind of.
yes, it can give you instant analysis. It can give. It can be used for the credit scoring. Okay, and the example, if I will give like a example into the finance. So there's a PayPal. Okay, PayPal company already uses AI to detect fraud. Whatever fraudulent transactions are there. Okay, so basically, whenever there is an unusual activity to your like compared to your transaction history, okay, it will automatically detect that okay, this could be the fraud. Like for example, like I have a credit card, okay, and on the like for I have a credit card from last 10 years, and from the last 10 years I have never spent any amount on the international transaction, and suddenly one day my card has used for the international transaction, and for compared to regular amount it is very higher amount. So immediately it is different, it is outlier in my data set, right? So automatically AI will detect that okay, this could be the fraud. Correct?
Yes,
Okay. So like this, we can discuss so many different real world examples or applications here. All right. So just for the revision, like if I'll say, okay, I don't want to go much technical things today. Okay. Here, just a recap is what is AI. We have discussed that AI is the ability to of machine or a computer system to perform task that normally requires the human intelligence. Okay. Then what is AI? So here we have understood this AI and like Alexa, and then AI is not a different than machine learning and the deep learning. Even AI is one big umbrella, and in that machine learning is there and the deep learning is inside the machine learning. Okay. And what is ML? So instead of programming rules manually, we train machines using the data. Very simple. That is machine learning. Okay. And then DL is uses artificial neural network, and DL is used to for the complex tasks. And complex tasks are voice recognition, image recognition, natural language processing. Okay. An example is face recognition. On the daily basis, we use this. All right. So we'll stop here today. Do you have any doubt or anything to discuss? Please let me know. We can discuss. We have some time right now, so we can definitely discuss about
This part is clear to us, like, but I have a different question. Like, what is the prerequisite for this course? Like, for example, do we have to learn a Python or basic?
it. Yes.
Because
So
Mhm,
Python will be the part of our course. Like basic Python will be the part of our course. Obviously, we cannot cover complete Python in this course,
mhm.
but whatever is required, that will be the part of the course. So don't worry about it. About the Python, you should not worry.
Okay, okay. Because
Okay.
we have a experience in Java, but not Python. So if if it is needed, like we can spend some time on that, and then yeah. And
Yeah,
what
actually,
else?
if you
Like,
if you, it is possible for you, so definitely you should learn some Python, like some basic Python. But
mhm.
generally speaking, compared to Java, Python is much easy.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you have that much experience, so you should not worry about Python.
Okay. And what else? Like apart from Python, is there any prerequisites that we have to go
No,
like? Mhm.
actually, this field is like not a new field. Okay, it won't give you new career aspect. Just remember. Okay, this field, the Gen AI field, you have to use with your current experience. Okay, like just imagine we are like engineering we have. So if one candidate is civil engineer, one candidate is mechanical, one candidate is from the IT, okay, one is from the computer engineering. So there this like if I will say that okay, I'm a fresher or I'm a 12th pass, so what should I do? So definitely that time we can think that okay, you should do IT engineering or you should complete your computer engineering. Okay, but for the 12th pass, we cannot say go and learn Gen AI and you will get the job. Okay, Gen AI will help you to boost your career. Whatever current career you have, it will help you to boost. So that is the major benefit of the Gen AI.
Okay.
Okay, definitely in coming times we will discuss more about different models like we already aware about the ChatGPT or Gemini is there or Midjourney or the DALI is there. So different models we'll discuss in the coming session. Okay, the reason is why I'm not going too much deep or too much technical today. Actually, I'm not available for next 2 days. Okay, but we have a like a marriage in our family, so for next 2 days I won't be available. So we'll have a session on Thursday now. Okay,
Okay.
Today is the first session, right?
yeah, today is the first session. It is an
Okay.
introductory session.
Mhm.
I hope you got something from this session. It was not waste of your time.
Mhm. Yeah, but in short, what are the tools and technology that we are going to learn?
Okay, tools and technologies, if we'll say, though, like I told you, there will be the DALI will be there, Midjourney will be there, different model we'll learn, and we'll cover different projects in this course.
Okay.
Okay, so definitely how to create the models, and like we call it as model, or we can call it as agent. And when agent works for the agent, it called agentic AI. right, Webo?
Oh, yes.
Okay, in simple word, when agent works for the agent, it is agentic AI. All right. So yes, we'll stop now. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Otherwise, we can wrap up today's session.
Yes, I have one doubt. Hello.
Yes, please, Chetan. Yes, Chetan.
Yeah, so I want to ask one question. If AI is not working on the programming, so is it working on only rule like algorithms?
Yes, it can work on the algorithm, it can work on the programming as well, and it can work on the data pattern.
Okay, pattern.
Okay, whatever data you will provide, it will learn a pattern from the data, and then next time, whenever he found something like that, it will try to predict that what could happen next.
Okay, okay, right. And one more thing, for the AI developing, which language we are using?
Base
Language
is Python. In this course, we learn the Python.
Python.
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, can I
Yes.
stop the sharing?
Oh, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah.